The National Weather Service out of State College, Pennsylvania has issued Tornado Watch number 38 for the following counties: Cumberland County, Dauphin County, Lancaster County, Lebanon County, Northumberland County, Perry County, Schuylkill County, Snyder County, and York County in south central Pennsylvania until 9:15 p.m. At 6:33 p.m., Doppler radar detected a line of severe thunderstorms in central Perry County, moving east at 30 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Expected hazards include 70-mile-per-hour winds and golf ball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impacts include: expect considerable tree and power line damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, screen enclosures, carports, and outbuildings. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Londonderry Township, Liverpool, Blaine, Marysville, Landisburg, Newburgh, and Plainfield. Remember, a tornado watch means conditions are favorable for tornadoes and severe thunderstorms in and close to the watch area. Persons in these areas should be on the lookout for threatening weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. A tornado watch has been issued until 9:15 p.m. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Tornado emergency for south central Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service out of State College, Pennsylvania has issued a tornado warning for Cumberland County, Dauphin County, Lancaster County, Lebanon County, Northumberland County, Schuylkill County, Snyder County, and York County in south central Pennsylvania until 9:45 p.m. At 7:02 p.m., weather spotters reported a large and destructive tornado in West Dauphin County, traveling south at 25 miles per hour. The storm will be in Londonderry Township in 3 minutes. Tornado emergency for south central Pennsylvania. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Expected hazards include deadly tornado. This is a trained spotter confirmed tornado. Impacts include: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To repeat, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. This is a tornado emergency. Take cover now.
Today's story, an EF5 tornado rips through Dauphin County, leaving a massive trail of destruction and killing 200. Furthermore, an official report released by Excellent Nuclear indicates that the tornado caused heavy damage to the 3 Mile Island nuclear plant site and has caused damage to the reactor's coolant lines. Workers have shut down the reactor, but are still trying to get the coolant system online, as the tornado has also reportedly damaged the emergency coolant system beyond repair. The plant is no stranger to meltdowns, as Reactor 2 suffered a partial meltdown in 1979. The plant has entered the alert stage of its emergency planning protocols as well. While there is currently no threat to the public, they advise the public to prepare to evacuate in case the situation worsens. That's all of the information we have as of now, and we will furnish further information as we get it. This is Brian Foreman for WVYC signing off.
This is Harry Freeman for WVYC with a news update. Exelon has released a report saying that the reactor is stabilizing and has canceled their emergency planning. Wait, what was that? I have just been informed that the reactor at 3 Mile Island has spontaneously and catastrophically destabilized. There has been a series of hydrogen explosions reported and
Radiological hazard warning. This message is transmitted at the request of the Dauphin County Emergency Management Agency. At 2:30 p.m., Excellent Nuclear has declared a general emergency at the plant due to a catastrophic meltdown of the reactor. The containment building has been completely destroyed, and deadly amounts of radiation is escaping into the atmosphere. At this time, all residents within a 10-mile radius of the plant are strongly advised to evacuate to a safe area outside of the 10-mile radius. Wear a gas mask as to evacuate if possible, and avoid using air conditioning. Contraflow has been enacted on all highways leading out of the 10-mile zone. Travel towards the nuclear plant will be impossible. Do not attempt to pick up loved ones from schools, hospitals, or nursing homes. These locations have protocols in place to transport patients and students to safe areas where they can be picked up. If you don't have a means of evacuation, head to the nearest pickup point. Directions to these points are being provided by police and signs currently being set up. If you need assistance evacuating, dial 1-800-591-3822. Do not call 911. The telephone line needs to be kept open for emergency use. Repeating, a catastrophic meltdown has occurred at the 3 Mile Island nuclear generating station. Evacuate to an area outside of a 10-mile radius immediately. The National Weather Service and State College has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties: Cumberland County, Dauphin County, Lancaster County, Lebanon County, Northumberland County, Perry County, Schuylkill County, Snyder County, and York County in south-central Pennsylvania until 5:30 p.m. At 5:03 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms were located 1 mile east of Londonderry Township, moving west at 30 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts, dime-sized hail, and radiation. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impacts include: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Damage to vehicles is likely. Rainfall within 10 miles of 3 Mile Island Nuclear Generating Station will be contaminated with dangerous amounts of radiation. Torrential rainfall will occur with this storm. Minor flooding may occur. For your protection, move to an interior room of the lowest floor of a building. Seal all cracks, vents, exterior doors, and windows with wet towels or tape. Do not leave your home for 14 days if you are within 20 miles of the 3 Mile Island plant. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. The National Weather Service and State College has issued a tornado warning for the following counties: Dauphin County and Perry County in south-central Pennsylvania until 5:30 p.m. At 5:04 p.m., a storm capable of producing a tornado was reported by trained weather spotters in Londonderry Township, moving east at 35 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Expected hazards include: tornado, 70 miles per hour wind gusts, quarter-sized hail, and radiation. This is a weather spotter confirmed threat. Impacts include: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Radiation will be redistributed by the storm. Radiation will be dangerous to those within 30 miles of the 3 Mile Island Nuclear Generating Station. For your protection, move to a basement or interior room. Seal all exterior doors, windows, and cracks with tape or wet towels after the tornado threat has subsided. It is advised that you remain in your home for at least 14 days, or an all clear is given, whichever comes first. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now.